Yo, what's going on? I am out here in Fort Worth at my brother's house. He actually asked me to come out and help him with his truck. He's just went outside to start working on it, and I finished eating my lunch. But yeah, I'm gonna go see what the progress is here.
I love your tool tray, man.
Yeah. Oh man, what have we done? I don't know if we can get this back together, man.
We could just roll around like this.
Yeah.
This is sick.
Permanent sunroof. It's almost convertible.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we got this side all in. We are installing these new, what do you call these?
Ramps,
Slider arms, ramps, rails, whatever you want to call it.
Ramps are what the book's calling it.
And this side was really funny. It was freaking hilarious. But this side is even more funny. Lubing it up.
Pretty funny how lube works.
Yeah, it is. But yeah, this has turned into a pretty big project. I think, what time is it now? Like 5 o'clock or something? Got John's truck torn apart, boy. Oh yeah, what was even more funny than these rails is that fucking headliner.
Oh yeah.
We had to like fold it into like 4 different directions to get it out, but still looks okay. Not bad. Yeah, we'll see if we get it back in.
Yeah, that would be funny if we do.
Be hilarious. Man, it's funny how that worked.
Yeah. It's funny how this day is going.
Pull this forward. There we go.
Just like that.
Go. All right. Step 1. Can't go in that way. Oh yeah, it does.
Oh, there.
Hey, funny how that. Oh,
Oh,
yeah, it's not funny.
I don't think this is a magnet.
It really helps if you have a magnetic.
Yeah.
Shit.
It's funny how magnets work.
It's a new needle man.
Yeah. Finesse.
Finesse the plug, the screw.
All right.
Okay. Now the
this part.
little thing and other things. There's one. Missing one.
We got a lot of shit to hook up. Hopefully we don't forget anything. I don't remember. Holy shit, you just do that?
Yeah, the side of this aluminum piece sliced me.
Ford tough aluminum.
Well, this is what it's come to. He's not even done.
I just fucked up, didn't I?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Well, we got everything back together. It's all hooked up. And, well, where's your light at? There it is. Got, everything hooked back up. We put new, whatever they're called, back in for the sunroof. The little rails here you can see on the side. And now the fucking truck won't start. And that is why my brother's riding Ford sucks ass on his driveway. It just worked?
Dude, you put it right here in the slot.
Oh, I saw that.
What I was doing though is I was hitting the brake and trying to start it. You don't hit the brake. You put it in there and you just hit the button.
Okay.
So what happens if I take it away?
So you just
You just stick it right there. That's what a sensor is.
That's fucking weird. 2015 Ford. Yeah. Woo. Every other model before and after has it in the cup holder.
Yeah. Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus.
Open the door before we die in here.
Yeah, I don't want to die anymore. I did like 5 minutes ago. So, I don't think this is... Probably woke my neighbors up. So the remote still doesn't work though. So I still can't lock it.
I think it's good.
Can I close this? Oh shit, dude. Look at that. Would you look at that?
It's funny how things just work
Yeah.
the way they're supposed to. But they're,
Yeah, there's a lot of things funny about this project.
yeah. Ford. That's all you have to say. Ford. At least it shines a light for you.
Not long enough. It's okay though.
Well, your sunroof works now.
Yeah, it works.
You can drive your truck.
I can drive my truck. I can wash it.
You can get on the highway, and you don't have to worry about your sunroof flying off.
I can do virtually anything except for start it with this remote.
Yeah.
But Ford is known to have AIDS, so
Yeah.
it's okay.
Fucking AIDS truck.
Yeah, we were HIV positive anyways. So.
Yeah. I mean, what can he do?
America.